SVIZONA Industrial Solutions is a leading provider of comprehensive electrical, substation automation, panel installation, and VFD, variable frequency drive solutions. We offer a wide range of services to meet the diverse needs of industrial, commercial, and residential clients. Our electrical services includes electrical design and engineering. Our team of experienced engineers provides comprehensive electrical design services, ensuring compliance with all relevant codes and standards. Substation automation. We specialize in designing, installing, and maintaining substation automation systems, enhancing efficiency, reliability, and safety. Panel installations. We offer a wide range of panel installation services, including control panels, distribution panels, and switchgear panels. VFD solutions. We provide expert VFD installation, programming, and maintenance services to optimize motor control and energy efficiency. Electrical maintenance and repair. Our skilled technicians provide routine maintenance and emergency repair services to keep your electrical systems running smoothly. Why choose SVIZONA Industrial Solutions? Expertise and experience. Our team of experienced professionals has a proven track record of delivering high-quality plumbing and water treatment solutions. Customized solutions. We tailor our services to meet your specific requirements and budget. Quality materials. We use only the highest quality materials and equipment to ensure the durability and reliability of our installations. Excellent customer service. We are committed to providing exceptional customer service and support.